Hello students, this is Unit 7.8, Extrasensory Perception, also known as ESP. ESP, or Extrasensory Perception, is a controversial, very controversial claim that perception can occur apart from our sensory inputs. Alright, so we do not need senses to form perceptions about senses. What? It includes telepathy, clairvoyance, and precognition. Telepathy is mind-to-mind communication, so like Professor X from X-Men, if you will. Clairvoyance is perceiving remote events, so like being able to know what's going on in China without actually watching TV. You can just see it in your head. And precognition is perceiving future events, so looking into the future. Man, if you had this, the lottery would be a lot easier. And those are the three primary types of ESP. Now, ESP is not the same thing as paranormal phenomenon, like seeing ghosts and things like that. That's referred to as parapsychology. And this is the study of paranormal phenomenon. It includes ESP, and it also includes psychokinesis, but it's not ESP in and of itself. All right? So psychokinesis, something that parapsychology also includes, is it's like specific paranormal phenomena, like levitating of a table, or turning on a light without flipping the switch. You just turn on a light using your mind. That's psychokinesis. All right, so putting ESP to the test. A reproducible ESP phenomenon has never been discovered, nor has anyone produced any individual who can convincingly demonstrate psychic ability. So because of this, it seems that ESP is a fallacy. It does not really exist because we have no scientific evidence showing that it does exist. All right. Now, there was a experimental procedure conducted a while back, I think it was in the 70s or 80s, called the Ganzfeld procedure. And this was a procedure where two people were separated, put into reclining chairs, and they were both bathed in red light. All right? Their eyes were both covered with ping pong ball halves, while white noise is played through headphones. One person views a picture for about 30 minutes, whereas the other person is asked to identify which picture their partner was shown. And so they're supposed to be able to use their ESP abilities to determine what their partner was looking at. Now, the interesting thing about the Ganzfeld procedure is that it seemingly showed consistent results, that the one partner would accurately guess what the other partner was looking at. Now, these were guesses, but the consistency in the results kind of showed that people could have ESP abilities. However, the Ganzfeld procedure has not been consistently repeated. And as we know in the scientific method, it has to be replicable in order for it to be considered valid. So here's a picture of the Ganzfeld procedure. This subject is the one that is guessing what this subject is looking at for 30 minutes. So the results of the Ganzfeld procedure, as we said, the partner was able to identify the picture better than chance. However, the experiment's results have not been replicated. So as a result, we consider it to be invalid and ESPN to be a fallacy. It is not supported by science. All right, and that wraps it up. We are finished with Unit 7.8, and that means we have completed Unit 7 overall. So I'll see you guys in class for the test. Hey guys, you don't get to see me in these videos very often, but just want to let you get to see me when I am doing this. I'm actually recording this video while I'm walking down the hallway in our school right now. My hair looks kind of funky. Alright, well, just trying out a new feature of this software, so just trying out. I'll see you guys in class. Bye-bye.